Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here with some happy mail from Miss Mary. And I did open here, so I didn't want to have the ripping of the tab here and show the addresses. So I'm gonna pull this out of here, check to make sure I got everything. I see a card here. Ooh, I see lots of goodies. Let's see. This is a nice envelope. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna read this on camera. So let's dig into the Happy Meal here. I see some fabric. I'm gonna show you what the card looks like on the back. It's the same as the card. It's all, I think this is handmade. With the little scallops on the end. And she's got that there with some washi on the corner, and it's all glittery. So I'm gonna keep that. Here's some paisley fabric. It's a beige color with all reds and pinks and blues in it. Got an idea. And then here we have some, let's cut all the stringies off. This is like a pink, a hot pink fabric with some flowers on it. Ideas popping into my head. Let me cut all these strings off so they don't get tangled everywhere. Okay, so we have this one. I don't know how much fabric is there, so I can't really say off the top of my head. Then we have this one. Well, string of ding dings, right guys? I'll save these because I know I can use them as something. As a cluster. Then we have this one, has greens, blues in it. That's pretty. Ooh. Oh my goodness, a zebra print. A what? With zebras on it. I don't want this to get caught up in anything. Being that I wear jewelry for my videos, I don't want no strings getting caught. Here's a zebra print with zebras on it. Let me show y'all these. See how pretty? This paisley one though. Good idea for that one. We got that one. Then we got polka dotty. And then we have this red one with flowers on it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then we have some more goodies in here. Let's see. Nice packaging. Ooh. I see some goodies. Goodies. Let's pull this out. I'm gonna keep, well, I don't want the glare. Let me take a sip of my juice here. Okie dokie. We're gonna go with what's in this little baggie first. I see a tiny little crochet doily, and it doesn't seem to be helping with the lighting. This one seems bit okay. I give up. Here's another crochet doily. Then we have this piece here of fibers. We have some leaves. And this ribbon here, a trim. It's multicolored. It's got pink, teal, green, brown. It's got every color in the rainbow. Then we have this lovely, if I can find the end of it to show. I can't find the end. So I'm just gonna show it like this. It's purples, lilac, yellows, reds. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Let's put this all back in the bag. I don't want to lose anything. So I'm going to put it all back in and seal it up tight. And then we have 2 playing cards which have steampunk. Oh my god, look at that, how pretty. I don't know if I'll be using these, but Then we have a leap of faith card. Look at that, how pretty on the back. We can do it. Oh, I remember her. And this looks like a book to do. Is the paper is not a normal paper, but looks like a little journaling book or a notebook. Ooh, I like that. Oh, this is an unusual. I've never seen a napkin like this. Open it this way, and you open it that way. Oh my goodness. This is very unusual. I've never seen a napkin like this. But there's 6 trees, so we never know what can happen with it. We never know. Isn't that pretty? And then we have this one with the gold dots. It's a full panel, so I'm thinking the wheels are turning. Here's a brown one with polka dots, with the polka dots. My brain is thinking. Then we have this one. Oh, I love this one. 4 panels, 2 with the trunk up, 2 with the trunk down. Maybe backgrounds or there. These are napkins I've never seen before. Look at that, how pretty. We got cactus in here. Looks like aloe plants here. I don't know what they call this here, but here's a cacti. Here's a different cacti. Here's another. There's 3 different cacti. Well, I take that back. There's a whole bunch of different cacti on here. Okay, so we have that one. And we have this one. And I'm assuming it's full panel. I'm not going to open it all the way up. Full panels. Yeah. Another full panel. Oh, all of these are full panels. Look at that. And this one's big. I've never, well, they have them that size. And here is, oh, some scrapbook paper. The balls are rolling. It got me wondering. And here is another little, oh, this is a German book. But I have an idea. I have an idea. Okay, Miss Mary, I want to thank you very, very much for everything here and here and your card. I want to thank you for this happy mail. It's very much appreciated and gives me good ideas on what I want to do. So again, thank you very, very much. And I'm going to put it all back in their bags as soon as this video is done, or maybe now. I will label this so next time when I start to use this, I will know exactly who gave it to me, like I do with everything else. I label all my packages that I get for Happy Meal so I can give proper credit. So again, Miss Mary, thank you very much for this Happy Meal. It is very, very kind of you, and I love it all, and it will all be used gracefully and proudly. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And hit the notification bell to get notified when a video is there, when I have new ones come up. And I will be kind, be gracious, be caring, be careful, and also be aware, stay safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye, crafty angels. See ya next time.